As homebuyer, gusto natin yung tahimik ang community, pero hindi rin na pag-iiwanan sa development, di ba? Ganyan mismo ang makukuha mo sa Lanelo Heights dito sa Pascamto General Trias, Cavite. Hi kabayan, good morning. My name is Jess, isang licensed real estate broker based dito sa Cavite. And today, iikot tayo sa community ng Lanelo Heights. Tara, sabayan niyo ako. Just 5 minutes away from River Park, isang township development ng federal land na tinaguri ang the next big lifestyle and business hub ng Cavite o tinatawag nilang the next gen city of the South. At sa loob mismo ng township na yan, itatayo ang SM City General Trias. Kaya sobrang lapit mo sa mall, future offices at sa mga commercial areas. May planong university site din dito nearby. Perfect for families and a smart move for a long-term investment. And speaking of convenience, sobrang lapit din dito sa Calax o yung Cavite Laguna Expressway. Actually, kadikit lang natin yon. Kaya kung nagtatrabaho ka sa Metro Manila o mahilig mag-road trip, travel time becomes faster and hassle-free dito sa Lanelo Heights. Plus, accessible pa ito sa mga main roads gaya ng Arnaldo Highway at Governor's Drive. Kaya kung gusto mong tumira sa lugar na tahimik, secured, pero nasa gitna ng pag-uunlad at accessibility, Lanelo Heights is the perfect location for you. Isa sa mga gusto ko sa Lanelo Heights, maliit lang ang community. Yes, tahimik, hindi crowded, at ang maganda dito, puro single attached houses ang itinatayo. Perfect para sa mga pamilya na naghahanap ng privacy, security, and comfortable living environment. Dito sa Lanelo Heights may basketball court para sa mga athletic natin na mga kapitbahay, playground for your kids and for you to relax na din, open spaces para sa family bonding and outdoor fun. Of course, ito ay gated community with 24/7 security so you can sleep well knowing your home is protected. Yan ang maganda sa subdivision living. At least may peace of mind. Pagdating naman sa bahay, may 3 house models tayo na ino-offer na pwede nating pagpilian. Lahat ng yun ay mga complete turnover. Una, we have Abbey model. Meron itong lot area na 88 square meter and floor area of 72.99 square meter. May 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 parking. Yung parking natin dito naka-concrete na din. Also, meron itong balcony and a provision for expansion. Yan ang ating Abbey model. Yung pangalawa naman ito yung Brenda model. Meron itong lot area na 77 square meter. Mas maliit ito sa Abbey, no? Floor area of 60 square meter. May 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and a carport. Ganon din. Concrete carport din tayo dito. Meron itong balcony and expansion space. And the last one, we have the Chelsea model. Meron itong lot area na 66 square meter and floor area of 49 square meter. 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and a concrete carport. Plus, with balcony and extra space then for future expansion. Lahat ng house offer natin ay mga complete finish at turnover para ang iisipin mo lang ang paglilipat at pag-aayos ng gamit mo. Fully finished interior, tiled flooring from ground to second floor, painted walls, partitions, ceilings, with balcony for every unit at may extra lot ka pa for your future plans, whether extension, garden, or home office. So kung gusto mong tirahan na hindi na kailangan gastusan pa ng renovation, this is it. At ang good news, ang reservation fee natin dito sa Lanelo Heights ay only 20,000 lang. Yes, for as low as 20,000, pwede mo nang i-secure ang future home mo in a prime location here in General Trias. So kung matagal mo ng pangarap ang magkaroon ng sariling bahay, tahimik ang paligid, secured ang community, complete ang turnover at prime pa ang location, Lanelo Heights is the smart move. Ako ulit si Jess, isang licensed real estate broker, and I'm here ready to help you. Message me today para makapagpa-schedule na tayo ng free site viewing. Contact details on your screen and in the description below.